Welcome back to Cook Like a Boss. Today I'm making my favorite breakfast recipe, tomato omelette. Actually, it's a very versatile recipe. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. So let's start cooking. The first step is to make the batter for the omelette. In a mixing bowl, take some gram flour, white rice flour, semolina, Asafoetida, salt, and baking soda. Mix this and add water. Don't add too much water at this time. I'll tell you why a little later. Now, let's add finely chopped onion, tomatoes, ginger paste, chili paste, and coriander leaves. Mix the batter thoroughly and add water if required. Onion and tomatoes release water the moment you add salt to them, which is why you need to restrict the amount of water you add to the batter. Once you get to this consistency, cover and leave it for 10 minutes. Now you can adjust the consistency of the batter. Add a little bit of oil in the pan and then pour about 2 ladles of the batter in the pan. Make sure to spread it a little. Remember, this does not spread like a dosa batter and is a little bit on the thicker side. After a few minutes, you will see that the top of the omelette is no longer runny and raw. You will also see the edges of the omelette turn a little golden. This is the right time to flip the omelette. Add some more oil and let it cook. You can press the sides occasionally. Cook on both sides till both sides are golden in color and are a little crisp. The omelette is ready to eat. Serve with bread and ketchup or green chutney. Please try this recipe and tell me how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye.